Alright guys, so here's the unboxing and first impressions of the Heimdallr Seiko Monster Homage. So I've been waiting a while for this one. It's finally turned up. So I have actually sized this already, so I've already opened it up just to make things a little bit quicker. So it comes in the standard Heimdallr box. Quickly put that to one side and I'll show you what else you get. And as always, if you're interested in picking this up, all the links will be down in the description. Because I didn't actually get this from Heimdallr, I got it on AliExpress. So we've got a nice little pin removal tool. And then we've got the warranty card, which is actually stamped and dated, which is good. Because you don't always have that with AliExpress watches. And these are the links I've taken out. So as you can see, I've got 4 of them. So you should be able to get a nice size on this, no matter what size wrist you've got. And they've got a nice spring bar removal tool as well, which is always handy to have. You can never have too many of them. So now, here's the watch itself. So as you can see, I went with the red one. This is apparently what caused the issue. Apparently, the red one sold out pretty quickly. It was pretty popular. So I've had to wait quite a while, even though I ordered this, I think it was the 11/11 sale. But I have to say, I am really liking this. I've always wanted a red dial watch in my collection. Not had one yet. Well, I had one really cheap one a while back, but this is the first proper one I've had. And I've got to say, I'm pretty impressed with this. Initial impressions with the build quality, I can't really fault it. Everything seems to be really nicely done. Everything's aligned, no obvious issues. And I just love that design. Albeit not an original one, it does look great. Just, there's a lot going on with this watch. And as you can see, all those indices, which are like shark teeth, which kind of go nicely with the shark logo. They're all recessed slightly into the chapter ring. And obviously they're all loomed as well. And then, as are the hands, so you've got plenty of surface area for loom on this. So when I get to doing the full review, I'm really looking forward to seeing that. And then obviously we've got the loom up at the top as well. So quickly zoom back out. Let's check out this bezel, see what the action's like. It's not the tightest, but there's no back play, so that's good. I think I might have liked it to be slightly tighter, but it's not to the point where you're going to be able to knock it and move it. So perhaps I'm just being slightly picky. Maybe I've been slightly spoiled with a couple of other watches I've had recently. Alignment, bang on, which is always good to see. And again, everything lining up nicely. Would have liked to have seen a signed crown, but not too big a deal, I guess. Let's try it out. So obviously screw down, pop it out, change the day, change the date, pop it out again. Yep. Everything seems to be fine there. No issues at all. So that's good. Now, this isn't the nicest of clasps. It doesn't compare to the likes of St. Martin, obviously, but it is branded. And it is a milled one as well, which is better than the likes of Steel Dive, because they just tend to have a pressed one. Missed a bit of plastic there. That's better. And while we're around here, get a quick look at that case pack. So again, we've got that Heimdallr shark. And then the specs are on the outside. But we'll get into more detail on that on the full review. So, overall, as first impressions go, I'm pretty impressed. So once I've worn it a bit and tried it out, I'll come back with a full review and let you know if there's any issues that pop up. But that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.